In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a photo collage on your phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this works exactly the same on iPhone, Android, and Samsung. So all you want to do is literally just open up your browser of choice. For this, we're going to be using Google Chrome, and then you want to head to our website called convertresize.com. It shows it right there on the website as well, so just go onto this website. It's completely free to use. And then all you want to do is go to the image tools section, and towards the bottom, you're going to see photo collage builder. So you just want to go ahead and click on that. Then it's going to say no file selected. So you just want to go ahead and choose files from your photo gallery that you want. And you can even take photos if you want to as well. Or if they're in your like iCloud or anything, you can choose files as well. Same thing goes for Google Drive. So we're going to go in our photo library. And then from here, you can just select any photos you want in this collage. So, select however many you want. I'm just going to select these 5 right here. Then just click add. Then once you do, it's going to start loading all of them in. And then all you got to do is just click add. And then as you can see, they're all selected right here. And then you have collage settings. So you can do a size preset if you want to, post it in a specific area. Like let's say you wanted to do YouTube thumbnail. Then it would look like this, but you can change the grid layout. So right now it's 2x2 grid. You can do 2x3 grid. You can do a 4x3 grid, obviously, if you had more pictures. And you can even have a custom grid if you want to as well, with a specific amount of rows and a specific amount of columns. Now, for the download format, you can do a PNG or a JPG. So we're just going to do PNG and then just press download collage, and there you go. It's saved, and you can save it to your files or drive, and then from your files or drive, you can then save it to your camera roll ready to be posted with.